Hi, welcome to another short video on how to use the Fence Genius software. Today we're going to talk about how to enter a new job or a new customer. If you're a DIY user, this is just you. If you're a contractor, this is your list of customers that you will have access to. If you're a manufacturer, then the same thing. It's the list of your customers. You can store what you want to. Not all cells are mandatory. Some of them are mandatory because you have to keep track of it somehow. But things like phone numbers and email addresses aren't necessarily mandatory to put in. But anyway, so let's get right down to this here. Let's take a look at this jobs list. Now, this is all blurred because of privacy, of course. But if I go add a job here, then let me just go ahead and I'll put my name in, and then I'm going to skip over the company, the phone number, and the email address. And now you can certainly put those in if you have them, because it's the more information the better. Your billing address, is it the same? In some cases it will be the same, some cases it won't. So I'm just going to say it's the same. And is the owner the same? Your customer may be a contractor and the owner may be a different name, and it may be advantageous to have that information because you're going to be seeing them on the job site. So here you can put the owner information, but I'll just say it's the same. Over here you can put additional notes like the dog's name is Butch or something, I don't know. Or the customer wants a special 42-inch gate. Anyway, and then here you've got some contact information to add a contact person. And let's go ahead and just save this. And so now we've created the customer. And the very first thing you're going to come into right away is the catalog. And you've got to pick some styles, or you got to at least pick one style. You may want to just pick one and then meet up with the customer and find out what they want to do from there. But you can see that there's quite a few. There's a long list. You can use the sort button here to sort and filter. Anyway, so now you need to save that. And so at this point, you have your list of panels. That's part of your registration. But if you go into job details, you can edit them here. And in this editing area, you can put in like your utility locate call date, and then your post install date if you're trying to keep track of when your posts were installed compared to when they're ready to be built on, if you're going to build on a stick build type fashion. Anyway, and then you've got your notes here. Beyond that, there's not a whole lot else you need to do for first registering a customer, and then you just go on into the fence system and start designing from there. Thanks for watching the video, and happy fence building.